The banking sector continues to ride on a good operating environment, even with the scare of slower than expected growth in 2013. The RSM Ashvir banking sector performance in 2013, which surveyed 43 banks, indicates that net advances to customers increased 18.2% from 1.3 trillion shillings in 2012 to 1.5 trillion shillings in 2013. Customer deposits also grew 13.3% from 1.7 trillion shillings the previous year to 1.9 trillion shillings last year. However, with this good performance in the balance sheet, interest rates, which have been termed as unsustainable, continue to be a thorn in the flesh for the government. Reason? The government is competing with the private sector in borrowing.
Banks maintain artificial liquidity because they are competing with the government to loan money to the government in terms of treasury bills and bonds. And because of the high rates and the high returns and the low risk, a lot of banks have put their money in some of these instruments.
The report says the government was loaned 64% of the 1.2 trillion shillings that banks lent out last year. On the other hand, the main agenda in trying to reduce the cost of lending has been external borrowing. Through the issuance of the $1.5 billion Eurobond, the government plans to float within 2 months. But will this offer a quick solution?
If the rate is favorable, it's around 5.5%, 6%, then what I see is that there will be money released into the economy, interest rates going down, the pressure on treasury bills and bonds going down. So hopefully the shilling interest rates will come down from the 8 to 12%, depending on which issue you're looking at.
The report clusters banks in 4 categories depending on customer deposits, ranging from 15 billion shillings to 100 billion shillings.
And one of the things, as capital requirement goes up, consolidation is one thing that we should expect in the market. Rather than banks consolidating amongst themselves, they are being acquired by international banks.
The report notes that banks made 125 billion shillings in pre-tax profit in 2013, a 15.8% increase compared to what they made in 2012. Ronald Owili, Business Defined.